Now we're going to be doing the analysis for the video. First, we need to check the default classes, see if the fixed washers at the pressure load is okay. Click cancel. Now we go to analysis. We select analyze entire model and full run. For solution type, we choose linear static. We press OK. For translation parameters, we choose small for car format. For subclasses, we click apply, we click yes, and yes. It's going to go to next run and run the analysis. Once our analysis is done, we select XTB, attach results, select results pipe, anchor XTB, we press OK, apply. Now we can access the results. Now we go to the results tab, go to deformation, we choose displacement transitional, we press apply. Now we can see the displacement due to the pressure in the loading zones. Now we go home, we click on, we select wireframe, show on the form, we go to plot erase, for geometry plus erase, okay, and apply. Now we can see the deformation figure of the anchor. Now we go to French. We select stress tensor, quantity bone misses, we select display attributes, we choose display for element edges, and click apply. Now you can see the forces depending on each part of the anchor. Now we're going to select target entities. We're going to select elements. For elements, we're going to select the whole model, the top part of the model. We apply, and now we can see the forces apply on top of the anchor. Now we zoom in into the area with the most stress. We can see how it's affected the most point upward, since that's where we're having our pressure. Now we're going to go to different view. I'm going to select this view. We're going to go to results, create fringe. We're going to place the plot icon. We're going to select none for the main. We're going to select the right average for method. Select shape FN for extrapolation. And we're going to select target entities. We're going to select current viewport. And we're going to click apply. Now we can see the inter-element averaging for bond misses stress. Going to go look for the average extrapolation between each element. Let's say create branch. We're going to select plot options. We're going to select all entities, derive average. For extrapolation, we're going to select average. We're going to click apply. And now we can see the average extrapolation between each element.